This capstone project has taught me how to design and implement professional development and then foster support of the learning through coaching. Although my group of participants was small, I felt that a smaller learning environment makes for more meaningful conversation. I feel participants were more apt to ask questions and discuss their thoughts and feelings of using a particular digital tool to implement. This type of conversation led to better understanding of the tool and how it is to be implemented effectively. I also learned that teachers learn best when shown how to use a new digital tool in action and then given time to practice using the tool. The time spent is invaluable as teachers are more apt to adopt and fully implement new learning if they are properly trained and given time to apply it. It was also invaluable to have a coaching session preceding the professional development as to further the successful implementation of the new digital tool. The learning that I experienced through this capstone integrates with the knowledge, skills, and dispositions required of a technology coach and leader. This learning also aligns with my vision of technology within the school setting, where technology is used to its fullest potential and will provide students with authentic and meaningful learning experiences where they will become lifelong learners. A school where technology is used to meet a student's specific needs and where the implementation of research-based instructional technology strategies lets students participate in real-world situations and collaborations. Technology is only progressing and shapes how the 21st century student thinks, communicates, and collaborates with others. Therefore, it should be a driving force in education so it can serve as a tool to foster these 21st century skills to help students succeed.